How to trade gold in Bingx.
Want to trade gold without a traditional broker? Bingx lets you trade gold directly through XAU or USDT contracts. And here's how to get started. So first and foremost, sign up for an account on Bingx, and then you need to go ahead and complete your KYC verification. And then after that, you need to deposit USDT or another supported stable coin into your account. Now, in the trading dashboard, go ahead and look for XAU or USDT. This is gold price against Tether. Now, decide whether to trade spot or perpetual contracts. Spot lets you buy and hold, while contracts let you go to long or short with leverage. Place your order and buy if you expect gold to rise. Sell if you expect it to fall. And then enter the amount and confirm. Always manage risk, use stop or loss, and take profit orders, and be cautious with leverage. Higher leverage means higher risk. And that's it. Trading gold in BingX is simple. Sign up, deposit USDT, find XAU or USDT, and choose your mode. Place your trade and manage risk. Now you're ready to trade gold like a pro. And that is how you can basically trade gold in BingX.